Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect your hosting a domain to Bolt.new step by step. First, open your browser and go to Bolt.new. Open the app you've created and make sure it's already published. Once published, click on Settings or the gear icon, then go to Server Functions and select Domains and Hosting. Next, click Connect a domain you own. Enter your domain name, for example yourdomain.com, then click Verify. Bolt.new will display the DNS records you need to add, such as CNAME or alias records. Keep this page open because you'll need the details in the next step. Now open a new tab and go to hostinger.com. Navigate to Websites, then click Manage next to your domain. From there, go to the DNS Zone Editor. Under the Advanced section, access your DNS records. Click Add Record and select CNAME. Fill in the required fields, including the name, target, and TTL, based on the details provided by Bolt.new, then save the record. This will connect your www subdomain to your Bolt.new project. You can also add the necessary record to make sure your main domain points to the same site. Once done, go back to Bolt.new, return to Settings, then Domains, and click Verify. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes, so don't worry if it doesn't work right away. After verification, open your domain in a browser, and your Bolt.new app should now be live on your hosting a domain with full HTTPS support. And that's it.
You've successfully connected your hosting a domain to Bolt.new.